Today's it was a very wonderful session for the KRA and the PMS, and it is very essential thing for the company as company want to grow and employee also want to grow, and this goes vice versa, and we need to keep developing ourselves. And location being not a challenge right now, because the opportunities are level at the global scale and we can operate anywhere from the world. So it was a very wonderful session, and we need to keep one thing in mind: we need to operate locally, but we need to have the global perspective in place for the PMS and career development of our employees. Thank you.